Okay, you want to stop?
Yeah. And I'm going to stay a little bit on the right side of the runway, only because I know I'm going to drift. Okay,
Okay, you
so
ready?
here's my back. Hold it back, and I'll release it forward a little bit as we go.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
Here goes the power.
Ready.
Putting the power in. Power in. I don't know, that engine doesn't sound too good to me. Right rudder. Right. Very good. Very good.
Helicopter 47 members going out.
That's good, Glenn.
We did okay.
I think you got it. I was a little bit on the rudder. Did you feel it, or?
I felt you a little bit there, yeah.
Yeah, but much better than what you've done in the past.
Caldwell traffic, Sonic 99 Papa, turning left base, 12, full stop, Caldwell.
Well, maybe some power.
Caldwell traffic, helicopter 192 is going around Alpha 12.
72, 80.
Yeah, there we
Put in
go.
a little bit of power.
Yeah. Still a ways to go. Let's see, 3,000. Okay.
Caldwell traffic, Sonic 99 Papa, turning final, 12, Caldwell, full stop.
Okay, you're 82, 80, 79. Four white Massey lights.
I think we're a little high.
I think we're high. We're all the way back to idle.
Okay.
You're at 77,
Perfect.
76. Feels to me like you're a little too much on the right, but one light. Okay, there we go. Yep. Power's idle. 75. 2 red lights, 3 red lights. A little bit more over to you. Over to your side, Glenn. Over to your side. There you go. A little more.
Over, a little more.
Okay, now straighten out.
Okay,
Now leave it.
It's all yours. It's all yours.
Okay.
All yours.
Okay. Good.
Whoa. I'm going to have to learn that tails wag recovery on the ground.
Just keep it straight. That's the secret.
Yeah,
Just watch the nose and keep it straight.
Yeah.
I know, probably easier said than done, but
That's the intent is always good. First, okay, nobody's coming.
Yep.
Okay.
Caldwell traffic, Sonic 99 Papa, will be the 12, Caldwell, closed traffic.
Left close traffic. I got it right
okay,
there.
you're steering.
I'm steering.
You're steering,
I am.
and you're steering good.
I've got it all.
Okay.
Nobody's coming. Nobody's on the runway. It's runway 12.
Okay. Oh, on a stop.
Yep.
Full stop.
Full stop.
Okay, and you know you're way over on the right.
I know.
Yeah, okay.
But I need that.
That's good. No, that's good. Okay, you ready?
Ready.
Okay, power.
Power.
I'm going to do it gradually. 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 Well, you weren't quite fast enough on the...
Yeah, I was waiting for a better. Yeah, I was waiting for a more affirmative takeoff. But
Well,
yeah.
that's because this time I was doing it so gradually.
Yeah.
Maybe you didn't...
Okay. Let's watch those engine temperatures.
Caldwell traffic, Sonic 99 Papa, turning left base, 12, full stop, Caldwell.
Okay. Let's see. I guess we should start. Oh, we're at 80. That's not too bad. Power and back. Yeah. I think I cut that corner wrong or something.
Yeah, you turned a little too soon.
Yeah.
And now we're angling out.
Yeah. Because we're really close.
Yeah.
So we'll go to the gas station and do the dog bone.
Okay.
Good. Okay, altitude 31. Okay.
Yeah, now I'm all the way back at idle because I think you're a little high.
Yep. Well, if we're at 3,000, we're good.
Caldwell, traffic, Sonics 99 Papa, turning final 12, full stop, Caldwell.
Actually, I'm going to give you a little bit of power here. We are a ways out.
Yeah.
Caldwell traffic, taxi to England departure leg, and he's doing a right turn out to the southwest, currently at 3,200 climbing. Caldwell.
Okay, you got 3 VASI lights. I have a little bit of power on. As soon as we straighten out here, I'm going to pull the power back.
Yep.
Okay. So I'm going to pull back on the power now.
Okay.
Back to idle. 4 white VASI lights, 86. Okay, 1 red. 2 reds. You're at 78. Bring the nose up just a little bit, just a little. Okay, 4 white lights, 75, 74. You're looking good on the runway. 68. Now hold it, hold it, hold it. 56, 56. Beautiful.
Hold on, hold on. Hold on. Yeah, let's see. There.
There you go. You're good. You're good. No. Not too much. Hang on, I got to slow down here a little bit.
Yeah, I was trying to pull back on the stick to get some more, keep the tail down, get more tail authority. But sure.
Yeah.
Caldwell, traffic, Sonics 99 Papa, departing 12, left close traffic, Caldwell.
Caldwell traffic, 757 Juliet Yankees, turning right crosswind 12, departing the pattern to the south, Caldwell.
Oh, good. Good, she's leaving.
Yeah. Yeah, they're going to go do some real flying.
Yeah. Well, you'll get there, Glenn.
Yeah.
You're doing good.
Helicopter 10 Bravo is 5 to the southwest at 3,000. Will be going direct to the south.
Okay.
I got taken off from a narrow runway.
We're completely stopped.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, we're back.
You ready?
We're ready.
Okay. What do you want on the power? Do you want fast or medium or slow?
Gradually. No,
Gradually.
Like the 5-second.
Okay. Ready?
Ready.
Okay.
Yeah.
Putting in power. Putting in power. More. Okay, full throttle. Full throttle. A little bit of left rudder there.
Whoa.
Oops. There you go. You got that?
Got it.
Okay. I pushed a little bit on the stick.
What was I doing there? Yeah, I wasn't pushing forward enough?
Yeah. Again, it was just at that transition point. It kind of catches you a little off guard, but you're not working the throttle.
Yeah.
So I really think that once you do, it's going to be a little bit more obvious to you what you need to do.
Yeah.
Caldwell, traffic, Sonics 99 Papa, turning left base 12, full stop, Caldwell.
Okay, we're at 70, so we need a little
68,
power.
a little power, okay.
Yeah.
70, 77.
Yeah, just make my descent rate 500.
Okay, 87.
We'll try the gas station turn.
93,
Okay, we're doing good.
1700 RPM.
Hey, nobody's there.
I think we're a little low.
Caldwell, traffic, Sonics 99 Papa, turning final 12, Caldwell.
Yeah, we had 3. Oh, yeah, we're way below 3,000.
Yep. So I'm putting power in.
Very good.
84. 4 white VASI lights.
Get the right rudder on there again.
90. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'll pull back.
Yeah.
We got 1 red light.
They're doing good.
You're at 92. So
Pull back.
you're not over the runway.
And not. I do like a minister S-turn.
There we go. Yeah, 71. Okay, 4 white lights. Okay, you want to get the nose up just a little bit.
Oh, our airspeed
66.
kind of low. Yeah.
Okay, not too much. 1 red light.
Okay.
63, 2 red lights.
Feel a lot
66, 4 red lights. 62. Now we're going to slow down with the nose, but keep it right where it is. Beautiful. That was nice. That was wonderful.
That's the position.
That's the position, and we're slow enough.
Yeah.
You know, we weren't bouncing around on the runway like we were the last time.
Yeah.
Because we were a little fast, but we landed at 40.
Oh.
We were, well, probably 40 to 40, 45 to 40. I couldn't.
Yeah.
When I looked, it was 40, and it was just right after we touched down.
Amazing, flying at that speed with no flaps. Ground effect. Yeah.
You know, once we get to the point where we can manipulate the flaps, landing is going to be so much easier because you'll have so much better visibility to the runway. The nose won't have to be as high, and the flaps will slow you down.
Yep. The pitch isn't going to be a little higher with the flap?
No, your pitch is flatter with the flaps.
Oh, because the wing
flaps are slowing you down,
Yeah,
so you don't have to get the nose as high.
Right.
So you have better visibility.
Yeah,
right?
the flaps change the angle of attack of the wing.
Yeah.
So the airframe can be a lower angle, and the angle of attack increase. Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Here we go. Nobody's there. Nobody's there.
Broadwell traffic, Sonic 99 Papa will be departing 12, left close traffic, Broadwell.
Field elevation, 2428. Good enough. Clear. Okay. Okay, pull back. You're going to do gradual. Then I'll detect it. Go forward. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, we're stopping.
We're not straight on the runway yet.
Oh, okay. Well, tell me when you feel ready. You're ready.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, so we're stopped.
Yep.
Full stop.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready.
Okay. Brakes off.
Brakes off. Throttle on.
Throttle on.
Stick back.
Increasing. Move the stick up, I think, to neutral. Oh. '84.
Yeah, pushing forward.
85,
Adjusting.
86. Yep. Okay. Good.
Broadwell traffic, Sonic 99 Papa turning left base 12, full stop, Caldwell.
Now, let's see. If this was truly an engine out, I'd want to turn all the way continuously here to get closer.
Yep. 75, 77,
Yeah.
78.
That's right. Oh, we're at 3,000. We're doing good.
Yep. 82. I'm going to give you a little power here.
Yep, I don't think we make it.
Yep.
Caldwell traffic, Sonic 99 Papa turning final 12, full stop, Caldwell.
Okay, full white Massey lights.
And going fast.
Going fast.
You got lots of power.
92, okay.
We might be a little bit down the runway on this one.
Yeah, I think so, because we're,
Yeah.
well, you never know. Things
Yeah.
might be. Okay, 2 white, 2 reds,
Yeah.
2 reds, 87, 3 reds, 82. Okay. Keep it up, 70. A little bit of left rudder there. A little bit of left rudder.
Okay. So,
That's okay. We're good. We're good.
you got it?
Yep,
You got it?
43. Yep, we're good.
Can you pull back at this point to give more tail, to give more weight on
Yeah,
the tail?
that's a
and,
good point. Yep,
yeah,
that's
okay.
a very good point.
Yeah.